Guys, how are we all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to follow the page, like the video, comment and share. Yes guys, we are here again to react to some of the information that popping out from Nigeria and some other place in the world. As we know that what Israelites are going through, the war in Israel, between Israel and Palestine, is what is trending everywhere. A lot of Muslims reacting on it. Some people are not even understanding why the problem between Israel and Palestine exists today. Most of them that are commenting and posting some of their what they believe, and I thought some of them are blindfolded because of religion and sentiment. Here is a senator in Nigeria, Senator Shehu Sani. We all know him. He's a popular politician in Nigeria. He was a senator when they proscribed IPOB as a terrorist group. So as a Muslim, as a Fulani Muslim, he also went to his Twitter to do their normally bidding, how they normally condemn what they consider to be evil, and then perpetuate evil within Nigeria and believe that Nigeria belongs to them. Let's read his post. They called Mandela a terrorist. They called the ANC a terrorist group organization. They refused to impose sanctions on the white South Africa apartheid regime. They refused to condemn the cruelty against the blacks in South Africa. They are the same people in support of the occupation of Palestine and the attack on Gaza. Hashtag Palestine, hashtag Gaza under attack, hashtag free Palestine, hashtag Palestine under attack, and whatever, blah, blah, blah. This is the Fulani man talking, trying to agitate for Palestine's freedom and all that, believing that he's doing the needful because he's a Muslim. So what do you expect? Now, let's narrow it down to Nigeria, where they dominate every sector of government, every power, political power and political offices. This man here is campaigning for Palestinians, but the question here is, what about Southeast? From where he lives in northern Nigeria, he's not seeing what than Kaduna. Those things that is happening in southern Kaduna, Christians are buying every day and cutting off their head and all that is not a problem. So he's here trying to tell you that Palestinians need to have their freedom. They need to sympathize. They need to understand that Israelites have done evil against them and all that. Have you ever seen a post from this man about what is going on in Nigeria? What Fulanis are doing? The henchmen, the bandits, the Boko Haram that are being baptized to bandit and all that. No, those things, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter at all. But as far as Palestine to Nigeria, he is there in Nigeria condemning Israelites. That is a typical Fulani man. Very, very, very hypocritical. And most of them think that people don't read their posts. I don't know what they have in mind actually before they post this. They make this kind of post. I don't know what they have in mind at all. In prison, they kidnapped him from Kenya. This, and the government that did that is a Fulani government. And the same Buhari, his brother, who was the president of Nigeria then, kidnapped N9eria and put him in a in dungeon without even trial, without anything. And when he was forced to report to court because they're trying to play the dirty politics that they're observing human rights and all that, Nigerian Court of Justice have already released N9eria to free him. But what did they do? They refused. With their gullible politician from Southeast Nigerians, who have been looking for a way to stop the agitation of Biafra because of their personal and political interest. This man have never for once comment on what is going on, the atrocity they're committing against Martin Americano. But he is here trying to, emphasize more on Palestine and the Israeli war, because he is a Muslim. That's all. He's a Muslim. So if Muslim, do whatever they want to do in Nigeria, it is normal business. Nobody should talk about it. Okay, let's even believe that Israel are at fault. The question is, what is this man's business? What is his business in that war? What is his interest? Because it's a simple thing. Muslim brotherhood. That's all. That's all, nothing more. But in this case, this man, as he learned and dedicated he claimed to be, he don't even know the history of the war between Israel and Palestine. He don't know anything about it. He just decided to, show his Muslim attitude, and that they want to protect and fight a common goal, which is to eliminate Israel. Some of the Muslim people are not even in support of Palestine's attack on Israel. Some, just little number of them. But he decided to show his face. But in Southern Kaduna, I'm not talking about Southeast here, so that they will not say, because you are from Igbo. No. Southern Kaduna, the same region, the same northern region. They are homeless. A lot of IDP camp there. I don't want to go down, narrow it down to Benue. That place is a crayfish for them. They can do whatever they want to do and nothing happens. That is Nigerian for you. So Buhari, during his time in office, he was even campaigning for the same Palestinians in United Nations, where he attended a meeting. He stood there, agitating for them as well. But where he comes from, he's showing his his hatred on other ethnic group, doing Igbos like they don't belong anywhere in Nigeria. But Fulanis are the one who has no place, ancestral home in Nigeria. They invaded the country and took the land of Hausas and dominated everywhere with a terrorist movement which they call jihad. This is a white Muslim, so he's not from Africa. That's what I mean by white Muslim. You can see the reason of non-African Muslim to compare the African ones. Some of them are not happy with what is going on, but they cannot talk because it's against their religion. The agreement is to make sure that everywhere is being dominated by Islam. But this man have a different opinion. Let's hear what he said here, so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Because sometimes when they are talking about war between Israel and Palestine, people don't know that those people that are campaigning or commenting and sharing videos don't even have any knowledge about what is going on there and the history behind the war. They just want to fight because Palestine is a Muslim. Okay, let me join Palestine. And they forgot that Jewish religion is different from Christian religion. They are not the same. But most of us who are Christians, we understand what Israel stands for, and we know their history. Now, hear this from a Muslim, one of their brother, who is a Muslim.
Khalifa's misinformation on history.
Israel has only been a state since 1948. Palestine is thousands of years old.
Sorry, Mia, you are wrong. Israel is
He said the Israel is just a younger country that he just started 3,000 years ago. So this Muslim man said, no, you are wrong. And when you look at the facial expression of that lady, you will find out that she's speaking out of anger. You can sense sentiment all over her. Just watch.
Palestine is thousands of years old.
Sorry, Mia, you are wrong. Israel is 3,000 years old, 75. Israel is 3,000 years old, 75 years young. And this is not coming from a Jew, but from a proud Muslim. The Prophet Liban were Israelites. A significant number of these prophets disseminated their teachings in the land of Canaan, a land which Joshua bin Nun later renamed Israel. And then King David proclaimed Jerusalem.
He is lecturing this lady.
It wasn't Donald J. Trump, it was King David. Even Jesus of Nazareth, Mia, called the land Israel in the Gospel of Matthew. The Roman Emperor Hadrian expelled Jews from Israel, erasing the name Judea. He supplanted it with the Roman Latin term Syria.
This is from a Muslim.
Which evolved.
This is from a Muslim. Their brother. He knows the history. He following it very, very well. But believe it or not, if they have the way on this man, they will buy him. That's just it. That's just it. There's no two ways about it. Because of this video, this clip that you are seeing here, this short video is enough for them to do one or two things. You know what I mean on this man.
To Palestine. Similarly, the city of Shechem was changed to Neapolis or Nablus, which means in Roman Latin, new city or new place. The Jewish people, dear Mia, are not foreign colonialists in the land of Israel. I wish you...
That is it. He's doing the best, you know, to put the truth out there. But some of them will be running helter-skelter and making false information, believing that they are putting things right, at the same time committing atrocities. Anyway, this video is not about religion actually, but I have to go into this one because I have to go through this route now, you know, to explain and bring this video for you to understand what is going on, because most of them are blind. You know, African, we don't research, we don't do anything, we only believe what we hear and we follow it around. That's basically what Muslims and Islam, are doing. Once Imam says this, everybody move with it. That's all. Anyway, thank you for watching the video. I just want to, react to this post of this senator, Fulani senator, talking nonsense and yapping nonsense, showing he's a hypocrite before the world. That's all. Thank you so much for watching. Like the video, comment, and share. See you on my next video. Bye bye for now.